Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today I want to give a huge shout out to the Pearl Source. In particular, their gorgeous pearl earrings. You guys, pearl earrings are a staple of any jewelry collection. They are just the backbone. It's going to be something that you can wear with jeans and a t-shirt and elevate that outfit, or wear with an evening gown. They are perfect, they're timeless, classic, they never ever ever go out of style, and these are absolutely the best. The Pearl Source is going to give you so many options in the size of the pearl, and also you can get yellow gold or white gold, whatever matches what jewelry you wear most. The backing is totally hypoallergenic. So even if you have sensitive ears, these are going to be something that you're going to find really, really comfortable, lightweight, and you're not going to have any of those skin sensitivity issues. It's really 14 karat gold, all highest quality. Freshwater pearls, these are going to each be individually hand picked, so you know that you're not just getting any freshwater pearl, you're getting one of the best on the planet. They are certified by the Jewelers of America, so you're going to know that the Pearl Source is just one of those quality, ethical companies that does everything up to the best standards. They are in the heart of Los Angeles. They know what they're doing. They have so much experience, and I just really suggest you guys check out not just their pearl earrings, but all of their pearl jewelry. Jewelry is of the highest quality and standards, and they make amazing gifts. So, if these are for yourself, go ahead and put them in your cart. Put them on your wish list. Send somebody like a little wink wink that you want them, because it's just going to be something that you find yourself wearing with every outfit. You're going to love them. So go ahead and put them in your cart.